have, you remember, this one is a posterior horn. Yes, this, when I mark like this, posterior horn of lateral ventricles. And here you have the structures like what? This one is a calcara avis. Calcara avis. Calcara avis, yes. Calcara avis, this one. So, why? You know why this sulcus is called calcarine sulcus, because here you have like the small eminence, the calcara avis here is, and this one is a eminence, the collateral eminence, yes, of the lateral ventricle. So from this specimen we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 structure what is possible to mark, yes, one slice, you see. So we back now from here. We have like the frontal gyrus. This one is the superior, yes? Frontal gyrus. This is the middle inferior frontal gyrus. Here you have the superior and the inferior temporal gyrus. And around this gyruses here, we have the very important, the areas. You remember we have like the Brogues areas and Wernicke's, yes, areas. Brogues, yes, Broca's areas. So this Brogues areas is a which areas? Exactly, it's a 44, 45 of Brodmann pool, Brodmann area, perfect, yes.
What's the second area?
Of course. And this here we have the yes, control of the motor. What the motor? Speech. Yes, the motor speech. And the Wernicke areas refer to which lobe? Parietal lobe here. And is which number of the Brodmann area?
22.
Yes, the 22. So the 44, 45 Brodmann areas is a Brogues, and the Wernicke is a 22 Brodmann areas, and is a areas control speeching.
Again,
But
what
which?
the
The motor?
The sensory one.
Sense, yes.
That's the motor.
Which
So-
area is this called again?
Wernicke's. So you must know the patient here where has the damage in these areas, understand your speech, your tongue, the fluent, the yes, this is the aphasia, yes, the aphasia, the speech aphasia. So here is the motor and here is the sensory. Here understand your patient, understand your like your sense of the move of yes, speech, but it's not possible to fluence, yes, the movements, the motor movement muscles. And here is not understand you, yes, and do not know how to talk with you. So all of this you see and we knows. I think only this is possible to mark. And the post-central gyrus here is the place where the end which fibers, the sense fibers, yes. So this is a pool number 312. Why 312 or not 123?
Because it's the like it was discovered in this orders,
Yes,
and the
yes.
3 is closest to 4.
So now maybe yes. Here we have the which neural pathway descending. This one must be the ascending. Yes, yes. This one is a ascending neural pathway. And the next one, the next tutorial, we concentrate from the which structure? This one. All of what we have here. Yes. So now we concentrate once again from the diencephalon. What is this visible here? This one is a optic nerves, yes? So this one is a optic area of the diencephalons here, optic area. Here you have the small part of the limbic systems. You see here? No, the amygdaloid, but you are very near mammillary. Yes, so this one is a mammillary body. yeah, and it's potential to marked. It's
Mammillary
really good
what?
here.
Body.
visual.
Everybody.
The mammillary body, and around the mammillary body you have the structures where goes the vessels and artery veins here through which structures. This one, what is this? How to call this one?
Is it been optic chiasm?
This is the optic chiasm, but here we have like the which structures?
Infundibulum of
No, the anterior and posterior. What is that? This is like the perforatings, yes? The area, so anterior and the posterior perforating area, because it's perforate from the vessels and the nerves. And here you see the nerves. Which nerves is visible here? The oculomotor around, yes, because here is the like the ocular, like the visual system. So this one is the telencephalus. This is no, this is the thalamus.
Thalamus.
Sorry, yes, this is the thalamus, and here is a part of the diencephalon. What is this here?
pineal gland.
This one is the pineal gland. Yes.
It's called third
So the
eye.
pineal gland is how to work the pineal gland. What control?
The sleep and
Yes.
Being awake.
Yes, exactly.
When
yes.
there's dark, it
Yes,
produces
this is the
melatonin.
melatonin.
And we
So
are
here
sleeping.
is a produces a melatonin. This is the pineal gland. Okay, it's potential to marked, and the pineal gland is a posterior aspect of the thalamus. So the hypothalamus, yes, here, and we have here. What is this? Habenular. Yes, this one is the habenular. So this one is like the commissure, yes, of the habenular, and the trigon, habenular trigon, maybe it's visible here. Yes, exactly. So I show you here. This is the position where we have the pineal gland, but here it's not visible. Yes, the pineal gland. So this is the habenular. Yes, the habenular triangle with the habenular nucleus, and here is the habenular commissure. You see? So all of this, yes, is possible.
What was the
Don't
last
worry.
one? Habenular commissure.
Yes. Here and here. So this one, when I mark like this, what is this? So this is the structure of the posterior aspect of which
Of
ventricle?
The, third ventricle.
Of the third ventricle. So now I marked you the third ventricle. And deeply inside of the third ventricle now is visible. So it's very important structure what I marked now. The commissure interthalamic. Yes? So this is the like the thalamus, the commissure here. Yes? You see? Inside. Yes. So this one is important because here goes the fibrous between the two thalamic nucleus. Yes, it's like the. You remember we have the three types of the fibrous. Yes, which types of fibrous? I know the professor marked from the board the last time.
Is A, B, and C, or it's the
Yeah.